Hey folks, radar has been quiet across the valley today, even some sunshine over the area this afternoon. Nice sunset out there in just a few minutes. This radar right now, there's just nothing going on, but that will probably change. Future track indicates humidity sticks around tonight into tomorrow, but tomorrow for the most part it's a dry day, but late in the day the moisture begins to kind of pool a little bit, and by tomorrow night showers begin to show up. This is now 2 a.m. Wednesday or late night tomorrow night. Showers begin to pile up in the valley, and then you go into the daytime on Wednesday. A front moves into the region and kind of stalls almost right on top of us, and with that the chance for showers will continue Wednesday into Thursday, even into Friday. That front will be nearby. There's also an upper air disturbance that's making things ripe for shower and thunderstorm development. We're not looking at a situation like what we saw Saturday. Instead, you're looking at light to moderate stuff with maybe an embedded thunderstorm somewhere in it. This is through Wednesday at 1 o'clock. All the rainfall totals are light, with maybe a quarter of an inch in the west, but everybody else looking at a few hundredths. But then as you go through the Wednesday into Wednesday night, Thursday, it increases a little, but not very much. So there's potential for rain each day, but none of it particularly heavy unless you get caught under a thunderstorm. Otherwise, you're looking at moderate stuff, 20% tomorrow, late in the day, 40% on Wednesday, and then back to 20% on Thursday. But the chance does go back up Friday and stays with us into the weekend. These are your current temperatures. Right now it is 81 in McAllen, 85 in Rio Grande City. Edinburgh's 82. Everybody else in the 70s, including Port Isabel at 76 and Brownsville at 77 degrees this evening. Taking a peek at the next 3 days, the norm for this time of year, early March, is about 78. We're up at 86 tomorrow, 83 on Wednesday, and back to 80 on Thursday. Records are all 90 plus, so we probably won't get there. And by Friday, we might actually be down to average for a day or so. Here again is your cloud cover picture, and we zoom out a little bit and look at the rest of Texas. And there's been rain in Houston earlier today, but that has finally moved out. Clouds beginning to show up out west again as the next upper air disturbance drops into northwest Mexico. Really what we're seeing is kind of a split flow in the atmosphere, in the aloft, the split jet. The main energy staying way north, but enough energy down here to give us moisture overhead, make it warm and humid, and give us that shower threat beginning late tomorrow and lasting through the rest of the week. There's that front stalling right on top of us, going almost nowhere, and with that it keeps the rain chance around. As that disturbance itself actually moves across Friday into Saturday, rain chance will go back up once again. You see it flaring up over the mountains Thursday night into Friday, so the potential will be there once again for us to see some showers late this week into the weekend as well. If you're headed to the beach in the morning, about 77 degrees at South Padre. Southeast winds at about 17 in the morning. Rip current risk is high. Surf temperatures at 72. The UV index remains very high. By tomorrow evening, temperatures stay in the 70s. Easterly winds by tomorrow evening diminishing a little bit to about 9 miles per hour. There are the tides, two of them. 4:15 in the morning is the low. These are at the jetties. The highs at 1:52 in the afternoon. Seas 4 to 6 feet with a light chop on the bay. So as you look at the forecast for tonight, remember you can get all of this information on the KRGV weather app. Download it into your phone and you can see this forecast tonight and tomorrow. You can see radar, see the satellite images. You even get watches and warnings there on the app. So check it out, KRGV weather app. Great app. And of course we post live videos, not live. We record videos we post on there several times a day so you can get the latest information. Very up to date. App's pretty cool. Check it out the next few days. We keep it at or above average all the way into the weekend with that chance for a shower or thunderstorm. You can tell by the nighttime lows we don't see a big front coming through to cool it off dramatically. That's kind of a telltale sign if it stays warm and humid at night. But with that we get showers, maybe a thunder shower. Saturday night, Sunday morning, technically Sunday at 2 a.m. That's when we spring forward. You set your clock forward 1 hour. Make sure you do that so you don't show up late for everything on Sunday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.